Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can invite coworkers and contacts to your team projects on Jira. For example, to work with them on boards, to-do lists, tasks, forms, subtasks, and so on and so forth with you within your team project. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can make that happen. So head over to Jira, log into your account, and here guys on the left panel, select your project you would like to invite someone to. If you don't see that list, guys, simply click into that arrow down icon next to projects to expand that list of already ongoing projects in your account. So in the next step, click into these three dots next to the given project and click into invite people here. That is going to open up that window here. So simply click into that text field here and enter the given invitee's name or email address, for example. If it is an external and a user who hasn't signed up on Jira yet, you may send an invitation to these externals too by entering their email addresses here. And after that, click into add here to send an invitation via email to that user. Alternatively, guys, you may, for example, send also an invitation via invitation link by clicking into copy link here to your clipboard, as you can see. And after that, send that invitation link to your invitees via direct messaging services, emails, social media posts, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, guys, you may also add someone from your Slack team, for example, from your Google contact list, and so on and so forth. And don't forget to assign also a role. Usually on default, invitees get added to your team project as members, but you may, of course, give them admin rights or invite them as viewers so that they have only limited access to your projects and its content. That's totally up to you guys. So once that's done, click on add here, and that's basically it. That's how you invite people to your team project on Jira. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.